Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Settings, then tap Display. This gets you directly to screen controls. Once done, you want to confirm your phone is unlocked and above 20% battery so changes apply cleanly. Make sure to close background apps to avoid accidental restarts. This reduces interruptions. Now locate screen resolution or screen zoom and font. You'll use these controls next. I'm guiding you to the exact menu, so you don't waste time navigating around. You'll tap screen resolution and then choose between FHD Plus and WQHD Plus. FHD Plus saves battery while WQHD Plus increases sharpness, so pick based on what you value. Once selected, use the screen zoom slider to change UI scale. This affects text and icons, so preview before applying. If auto is available, use it to let the system balance quality and battery. Make sure to observe the preview and test an app. That confirms the visual result matches your needs. You finish by tapping Apply or Save, then immediately open a few apps to verify text, layout, and touch areas look correct. If changes don't persist, restart the phone. Simple reboots often fix UI caching issues. Make sure your system is up to date because display drivers and patches fix known bugs. If problems continue, reset display settings to defaults or contact support, but try a restart first, since that resolves most issues quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.